Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Christina. I do different unboxings throughout the month, so I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube family. For those of you coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate all of your support as always. I'm sorry I've been kind of MIA lately. I really haven't had any creative juices as far as like new videos to put up, so I've kind of just been waiting to get, you know, my normal boxes that I get to unbox them. So, you know, I've kind of been a little bit MIA. I did go to Seattle for my friend's baby shower and it was amazing. It turned out great. It rained the whole time, but it was beautiful. Seattle is an amazing city and I would definitely love to go back and, you know, see it a little bit more, spend a little bit more time there. But if you guys have any ideas for new boxes you would like me to try or new videos you would like to see, then, you know, just let me know down in the comments below and, you know, I'll do my best to create those for you. But I am here today with another trunk club unboxing. If you watched my last two trunk clubs, you'll know that I, you know, really wasn't in love with anything. I didn't keep anything from either of those last two boxes. So I actually requested a new stylist from Trunk Club, and her name is Perry, and so she's going to be the one styling this trunk for me today. I did it a little bit different this time. This format's going to be a little bit different. Usually I do like my first impressions and then I try them on and then I show you the try on while I talk about them, but I always take everything out of the plastic because I hate unboxing that plastic on camera because it's super loud. So I went ahead and I got this trunk last night, and after I took all the plastic off, I was kind of a little too excited, and I went ahead and tried everything on, so you're not going to get a first impression from me. You're just going to get, you know, what I think of the stuff. And if you guys like this format, let me know. If you want me to go back to the old format, let me know. And, you know, I aim to please, so you guys just let me know what you prefer. For this trunk, I did request a date night trunk, so if you weren't familiar with Trunk Club, they do like themed boxes, and they sent an email a couple weeks ago about a date night trunk, and since I knew I would be getting this around Valentine's Day, I, you know, decided to do the date night trunk. By the way, happy Valentine's Day, you know, to all of you out there. So the date night trunk typically has like dresses, skirts, outerwear, jewelry, shoes, things like that. And so I just thought it'd be, you know, really fun to do. We're actually not going anywhere for Valentine's Day. We're just going to cook dinner at home, but I could still dress up if I wanted to. Or this is just perfect for, you know, another date night down the road. So I am going to preface this video by saying, Perry, I am sorry. I'm really sorry to my stylist, Perry, because she sent the review and, you know, I declined some things, I kept other things, but I kind of kept going back and looking at my review, and I wasn't in love with anything, and I was kind of like prejudging all the pieces and being like, I'm not gonna like any of this. This is gonna be another thing that I don't keep anything from, and, you know, maybe this stylist doesn't really get me. But then I got it and I tried everything on and I love a lot of it. So I'm definitely gonna need your help with these pieces. But yeah, let's just get right into the stuff. So first is this piece of jewelry by BP. Oh, and I apologize for my lighting. It's like overcast and rainy outside, and it only rains like 6 days a year in Phoenix, so we really appreciate it when it rains. So my lighting's not the greatest. That's why. It's because I usually use mostly natural light, and, you know, there's not a whole lot of great natural light coming, but it's beautiful outside. So, like I said, first piece is by BP. It is this layered necklace. It's super cute. I actually just recently got a necklace like this, and I kept it in my Transcend not too long ago. But this one is like a lot cuter. I like this one a lot better, actually. So I might keep this one as well, especially because it's only $14. So I don't know. We'll see what I think about that one. Get down there. Next is these earrings by Kendra Scott. First of all, this box is like the cutest thing I've ever gotten any piece of anything in. This box is adorable. I will tell you right now, I did not try these earrings on. Backwards. Yeah. But they come in this really cute little box. They're really well packaged. They just like that. And they come with a little like duster bag for them. They just look like this. They're really cute. I can tell they're really well made. But they're $50. And they're not even real gold. Like they say on the tag. Well, this tag says RSG, which I'm assuming means rose gold. But on the like bag that they came in, it said rose gold metal, which like suggests to me that they're not real gold. And probably, which obviously if they were real gold, they'd probably be more expensive than $50, but I just can't justify spending $50 on some earrings that, while cute, I feel like I could get something very similar for much cheaper somewhere else. So those are going to be a no, and I didn't want to put them in my ears because if I knew I wasn't going to keep them, because then, you know, that'd be weird for somebody else I wanted to try them on. But let's get into the clothing. First were these shoes. So when I first saw these, again, these were one of the pieces that I kept kind of going back and looking at. Because at first they looked shorter than they were. And if you watch any of my other previous videos, I don't really like, you know, like shorter heels. I am definitely a bigger heel kind of girl, and I'm not usually a chunky heel kind of girl. And also this band right here, while cute, doesn't always necessarily fit my foot. But these were actually pretty cute, and I think they're the perfect height. I'm not sure how I feel about the way they look across the toe and if they make it look like my foot doesn't really fit in them. So I'm definitely going to have to try them on a couple more times, walk around the house a little bit in them. But I really like the style, and I'm glad she sent them to me because they are super cute. They're by Steve Madden. I pretty much tried on all the pieces with these on. And yeah, so these are a possibility. You guys let me know. What do you think? Next, this dress. Again, this is one that I saw in the preview and I was like, that is not gonna work. So this is really bright pink color. Super bright pink, really deep V, long sleeve. What I love about it is that it's a really thick material, so it really like kind of sucks everything in, especially because it is definitely a form-fitting type dress. It's really cute. It cinches in at the waist. And then it has this like faux wrap detail down at the bottom. And it's really cute. So I like this a lot more than I thought I would. I'm still not super sure I love the color just because it is so bright. But I think it would be kind of a fun dress to wear with some like cute black heels or something. But yeah, let me know what you think. It's definitely a possibility with that one. Alrighty, next, this dress. I love this color. It's actually very similar to the color. It's more of like a berry, and actually I think that's what it lists it as on the price sheet. It's like a berry. It's by Eliza J. I love Eliza J. If you saw my engagement picture video, the purple dress that I wore for my engagement pictures is from Eliza J, and I really like the way their dresses fit. This is kind of one of those like drop waistline type dresses, and it has this kind of ruffle detail at the bottom, but it's not too much of a ruffle, which is cute. The only thing is I don't like the cap sleeves. I don't think they necessarily look good in this region, and I'm not a huge fan of my arms, so cap sleeves I feel like look good on really toned arms or like thinner arms, and not, while I'm working on it, my arms aren't exactly where I want them to be able to pull off some cap sleeves. But I think the dress is cute. You know, it fit really well. So, you know, touche to my stylist for sending that one. This dress. First of all, you know I love this dark burgundy color. It is a really thin jersey style dress. Well, not jersey because it's actually like, I think it's cotton. It feels like cotton. It's by Lathe. Cotton polyester blend. It's long sleeve. Again, this is one that I was like, that's not gonna look good on me because I am, you know, a bigger girl. I don't have a perfect body. But it does have this really cute like ruching detail on the side. That's actually really flattering. And I searched this dress and possibly found it for cheaper at Nordstrom Rack. So I might get a price match if I do decide to keep this dress. But I think it's just really, really cute, really simple. It can be dressed up or dressed down, like put it with some heels, put it with some cute sandals. I just think there's a lot of options for this dress, and I think it's adorable. So this is a possibility. Let me know what you guys think. Next, this piece. So when she first did my review, there were like 3 jumpsuits in there, and I immediately was like, I'm not a jumpsuit person, I'm not a romper person. They typically just don't fit my body style very well, because usually if they fit like my lower half, my lower what? Usually they fit like my butt and my thighs, then they're like humongous on the waist, and they just don't, they aren't flattering typically on me. So I originally was gonna like get rid of all of the jumpsuits, but I said, you know what? That one's cute. I'll try it. I won't love it, I'm sure, but I'll try it. And it's this jumpsuit by Vince Camuto. And I have to say that this is probably one of the most comfortable outfits I've ever put on my body. One of my previous videos, someone commented that they thought it was funny that I compare something's comfort to whether I would sleep in it or not. And I would absolutely sleep in this jumpsuit. It is so comfortable. I also thought it was just really cute, really flattering, could really, you know, be adorable with some like fun colored heels, some really cute jewelry. The only hesitation I have is that I don't know if it's me. Like, I don't know if it really fits my style, so I'm not sure if it's something that I would necessarily gravitate towards or like, you know, pull out of my closet and be like, oh yeah, I'm wearing that. So I'm really not sure. So let me know what you guys think. You know, let me know if it's something you think that I absolutely have to have. I'm also gonna probably try it on for my fiance and see what he thinks, because, you know, I really value his opinion, you know, especially because, you know, he's got to be seen next to me. So, so yeah, that's that. Let me know what you think about that. Next, last dress that she sent me is this dress by Dorothy Perkins, and of course, it's the least expensive item in this box. And I just didn't love it. It's like a sheath style dress. It's straight up and down. It's got these like tie sleeves, which I actually didn't mind too much. Like, they weren't terrible, but definitely not my favorite either. But the big thing is this like sheath style dress, I just don't, or shift dress, whatever I don't know what it's called. Whatever it's called. I don't necessarily think that it flatters a girl like me. Because it's just shapeless. It wasn't as terrible as I expected it to be, especially because it's black, so it's slimmy and it's flattering color. Would be really cute with some fun jewelry, you know, fun colored heels. But I just don't think it works necessarily for me. It doesn't accentuate my body style at all, and it just wasn't the best, I don't think. It's cute. It's a lot cuter than I expected it to be. I was definitely surprised by it, but I just don't think, for the way I'm made, that that dress is made for me. All right, next is this skirt by Halogen. It's a high-waisted skirt with a nice kind of high slit in it. At first when I saw this, I was like, why is she sending me that? It just didn't look necessarily cute on the model. It definitely looked cuter on me. You know, I'm not being vain, but I think it looks cuter on me than I originally thought it would be. Plus, like, on my Pinterest, she looked at my Pinterest, and I did, you know, I put a lot of new like date night stuff on there before she curated my box for me, and a lot of them were like skirts, like high-waisted skirts and tops combos, so I see why she put it in there. Especially because it's a lot tighter than it looked like on the model. Like, it's more form-fitting than I thought it was originally going to be. So I think it's really cute. I think it's versatile because it is black, so, you know, you can wear it with like all sorts of types of colors. But I'm not sure I'm in love with it. So you guys let me know what you think about this one. Because yeah, it is cute. It's a possibility. It would definitely be for like a nicer like date night out, I feel like. And last, leggings. They are the faux leather leggings by Spanx. So I've seen these a lot. I've seen them sent to a lot of people on Trunk Club. I've seen them sent to a lot of people in Stitch Fix. And of course, Spanx is a great brand to kind of like hug everything in and just make everything look nice and smooth and beautiful. But I was like, I don't need any more leggings. And then I tried these on and they just fit so perfectly. They make me feel like I don't have any type of belly at all. And I don't know. I kind of love them, but I'm not sure I need them right now. And also, I know that I could go to the Spanx website and probably get a like coupon code and pay a little bit less for them because they are expensive. But Spanx is expensive, like whether it be their shapewear or any of their other type of clothing, like they are a more expensive type brand. But they're great quality, so it's worth it. I like the faux leather because it doesn't look too cheap. Like I have another pair of faux leather leggings that I got from like Charlotte Russe or something, and while I love them, one, they don't hug me in the way that these hug me in, and two, they just look a lot cheaper. Like these look more well made. They're not quite so like flash dance, you know. Flash dance, is that even, I don't think that was a good comparison. They're not so like flashy, like, oh look at my fake leather hot pants that I'm wearing. So it's a possibility, but I just don't know if I need them right now. So you guys let me know what you think about that. So that is all my items for this box. I really think I'm gonna like my new stylist a lot. What I appreciated most was that originally my first review, she sent me like 15 items or something, which if you watch my previous videos, you know that I kind of complained that I wasn't getting as many items that I saw that other people were getting, which I didn't quite understand. After I declined quite a bit of stuff, you know, it only ended up being 10 items, but that's still more than I've gotten in my last couple of boxes, so I definitely appreciate her sending me so many options. I just wish I didn't love so many of them, because now I want to keep a lot of them, but, you know, I'm not going to. I have a wedding to pay for. So, you guys let me know what you think is an absolute must-have that I can't live without. As always, I'm going to look to see if I can find them cheaper elsewhere, because, you know, you gotta get the best bang for your buck. I do that every time I get a Trunk Club. I do that every time I get a Stitch Fix, because if I can get a price match, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for sure. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day with, you know, whatever you're doing. Whether you're hanging out with your girlfriends, hanging out at home, grab a bottle of wine, you know, with your loved one. Whatever you're doing, I hope you have a great day. And, you know, I'll see you very soon. I'm getting a Stitch Fix next week, and I'm really excited about it. It's my first, like, surprise me. I didn't ask for anything specific, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And again, if you like this style, like this new format, you know, let me know and I'll keep it up. If you want me to go back to the old one, I'll do that. If you have any ideas for me for new videos, let me know. Like I said, I aim to please. But that's it for this video. I will see you in my next one, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.